What's going on, everybody? So today I want to offer everybody something extra special that I've actually never done before, and that is for the Elite Credit Repair. Anybody who signs up either today up until the 31st at midnight, you get to pick your processing fee. That's right, you get to tell me what you can afford to pay to get started. If you can only pay $1, I'll let you only pay $1. You do have to pay something, and I will accept $1. This is just to help out as many people as I want. This is not because I know the scammer's gonna say I don't believe in my work, or nobody's signing up. Why would I let you sign up for $1 if I wasn't making any money? I've said it before and I'll say it again. It's not always about the money, but it is always about my clients and making them happy and getting them results. And as you can already see from the screenshots, we're posting results pretty regular, on a regular basis on YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook as well. But again, this is the Elite Credit Repair only. I cannot do a discount for the pre-litigation credit repair, which is what everybody is signing up for because it's simply better. Nothing beats pre-litigation credit repair. But for now, for the rest of the month, until midnight, January 31st, you get to pick your processing fee to sign up for credit repair. If y'all have any questions, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great weekend.